Hinyo trap achieve national movement sengkme kala Pyniar ya Tnad Treikam sa harilum Garo daga bathaw ya ka Hanm Garo Hills region bat ya kani Tnad Treikam bathamai la seng hatura. Kaseng Hanm sengkme hapo kajingalam u presiden barangba kaseng uba lamprang karbani hakas ngisa jan ka kasan terik jeliu aja apusau kalalaj ban Pynsmai ban Pynsmai ki nongkit kam nadu u presiden Vice President General Secretary nalor kiwe ki nongkit kam bat ki dekhot kabala pelong ha ka hall jom ka ABC Guest House kabadan hawada nang Edenbury Road Tura West Garo Hills District ringkat ke jingdan lang u General Secretary Samla do Fosta Renja Assistant Secretary ba Wurai Wan Sotun Venus Rangslang Lambok Dakar in charge Hanm Garo Hills region ki nongkit kam na kiwe ki district ba Gabriel Solang ba Klan Bor Thongni bat kiwe Kinongkit kam ke Hanm Garo Hills region ki kinthop u Presiden Aron K. Sangma, Vice President Virio Tikus D. Sangma, General Secretary Abong Anthony K. Marak, Joint Secretary Elibert Nen Marak, Sport Secretary Rakan T. Sangma, Finance Secretary U Anish Walton T. Sangma nalor kiwe.
Respected chairman of the meeting, the youth from Garo Hill, Mbak Lambok as the in charge of Garo Hill, Mbak Raiwan Sotun as the Assistant General Secretary of the Hanm Stelbudi, respected the office bureau of the Hanm Garo Hill, led by the Aron K. Sangma as the president and Abong Thongni K. Marak as the General Secretary Hanm Garo Hill District, which are going to shoot our great responsibilities for the people of Garo Hill and the state of Meghalaya as a whole. Before administering the oaths of office bearer to the newly member Hanm Garo Hill as the president, I would like to mention the aims and objectives of the Hanm for serving the people of Meghalaya. Firstly, Hanm stood for protecting the land of the indigenous people, that is for protecting the land of the indigenous people of Meghalaya, which includes for the Hanm as well as the Achik, from encroachment from the state of Assam and the country like Bangladesh. Secondly, Hanm it stood for uniting the people of Meghalaya, which include the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo. Thirdly, to protect the culture of the indigenous people of the Hanm and the Achik, as it was inherited from our forefathers. And finally, to other the needs of development in the state of Meghalaya, like roads, transportation, proper electricity, and water supply, etc. Now, I would like to call upon the chairman to spell out the names of the new office bearer at Hanm Karhil.
Son Khani, Commissioner Office, the Wajitang Office, Rajhanti, Jipa, Niwa Hanm, Chika Dapande, Angni, Meklea, Daka, Mukcheta, Akai Chika, Kaket, Onga Pangen, Komuni, Ta Angka Chakni, Dakni, Kam Kitawa, Bak, Ongpa, Ni A'a, Hanm, Aro Kongsni, Skani, Name, Kisko Nea, Aro Minangpa Niko, Mesoka, Paksa, Wadato, in the government slogan, Megan, Tikam, Bibochasing, Dambera, Monto, Awake and arise, for Media.
Never cause struggle and bring you back vision for Ktien. Instead, do the opposite. We shall never fall under any wrong influence, for we will stand together and improvise and enforce the weak. Together as a whole, we will strive towards excellence and fight for our land, because this land isn't called Garo without any reason. Because when we lose this land, what do you think we're going to be called? Obviously, refugees. We may not be able to witness all this, but our future generations will. Your children, your grandchildren, and their generation. So kindly take this seriously and prepare yourselves for the upcoming fight. We have to win. And we never lose, because who are we? Tnad. Who are we?